Ooh. Shit.
Whoa! Whoa! No!
Ah!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
That girl got issues. Big issues.
You'll never get it. Woohoo!
Yeah, she's got big issues.
Woohoo!
Like her big head.
What the fuck?
Watch out for the computer. Yeah.
Her big
And four necks. Okay, 3.
Turkey butt.
I got one
Turkey butt. Turkey
No, look, let me show you. I'm going to show you on the video. Look, look. No, lean back, son, like you did.
Turkey arm.
Okay.
Don't cover them up now.
Turkey butt. Turkey feet.
Why are you covering them up?
I just farted.
What does that have to do with you covering up your 3 necks?
I don't have. What?
I think she was about to say, I don't have 4 necks. Because I said, I think one time I said, okay, you got 3 instead of 4.
What the?